Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to find out the value of half angle. For example, find sin xy2, cos xy2 and tan xy2 if tan x equals minus 4 upon 3 is given to us where x belongs to second quadrant. So let's do it. It is given to us that as x belongs to second quadrant implies x lies between pi by 2 to pi. Dividing both sides by 2 because we have to find out half angle sin xy2 cos xy2. We have to see in which quadrant xy2 will lie. Dividing all by 2, it will be pi by 4 less than xy2 less than pi by 2. That is xy2 belongs to first quadrant. It is our first quadrant. We have to be very careful that xy2 will lie in first quadrant, and we will know that in first quadrant all t ratios are positive. So let's see how to solve it. As tan x equals minus 4 upon 3, we can find out the value of sec x using the identity sec square x equals 1 plus tan square x. That is 1 plus minus 4 upon 3 whole square, that is 16 upon 9, that is 9 plus 16 upon 9, that is 25 upon 9. This is your sec square x. Implies sec x equals square root of 25 upon 9. And because x lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sec x is also negative, so we will take as x belongs to second quadrant, and in second quadrant sec x is negative, so we will take negative sign. That is sec x equals 5 minus 5 upon 3. From here we can calculate reciprocal of sec x would be cos x minus 3 upon 5. Now using half angle formula, because we know that cos 2x equals, we know that cos 2x equals 1 minus 2 sin square x. That is cos x equals 1 minus 2 sin square xy2. That is 2 sin square xy2 equals 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. Substitute the value of cos x. Cos x is minus 3 by 5. Minus minus will become plus. That is 8 upon 5. It is 2 sin square xy2. That is sin xy2 would be 4 upon 5, dividing both sides. Sin square xy2 equals 4 upon 5, and sin x upon 2 taking square root of 4 upon 5, and because xy2 lies in first quadrant, so sin xy2 would be positive. That is 2 upon root 5. You can rationalize it. We can write it as 2 into square root of 5 upon 5. The value of sin xy2 is this. Value of sin xy2 equals sin xy2 equals 2 into square root of 5 upon 5. Now using the identity of cos, we can find out the value of cos x by 2. How can I find out? Let's see. Now using the identity, cos x by 2 equals cos square x by 2 equals 1 minus sin square x by 2. That is 1 minus sin square x by 2 is sin square x by 2 is 4 upon 5. That is 5 minus 4 upon 5, that is 1 upon 5. So cos x by 2 would be 1 upon square root of 5, and rationalizing it, square root of 5 upon square root of 5, that is square root of 5 upon 5. This is cos x by 2 is 1 square root of 5 upon 5. Now tan x by 2. We know that tan x by 2 equals sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Now sin x by 2 is 2 square root of 5 upon 5 whole divided by square root of 5 upon 5, that is 2 square root of 5 upon 5 into 5 upon square root of 5. So it will be simply square root 5 cancel, it will be 2 only. So tan x by 2 equals 2. So we have, if we have tan x equals minus 4 by 3, where x belongs to second quadrant, these are the values of sin x by 2. Sin x by 2 is equal to 2 square root 5 upon 5. Cos x by 2 equals square root of 5 upon 5, and tan x by 2 equals 2. That's all. Thank you so much.